Hello, you guys. It's Lisa. Thank you so very much for supporting Relentless Drip and the Girls Little Business. Of course, you see here we have a little sample waist bead. And what I like to do is just kind of show you how to fit your waist beads to your waist size. So, most of you guys will see your waist beads come in similar to this, where the end is left open and or we add a few clips to it. So if it's too big, which is a really good problem to have, what I'd like you to do is just little tug on the elastic there, quick cut. Well, before you do that, of course, you want to measure it to your waist. So go ahead and find out exactly what that fit is and count those beads so you know exactly where you want to cut off your beads. Start here, nice little clip, right? And you want to hold it because it can go ahead and you don't want to lose it there. And then find your break. This is your break here. Okay? Hold on to your beads because they will go away. And you can make a cool little anklet or anything you'd like to do with it. So, as I mentioned, give your beads enough space. You want to give yourself a little leverage here, but if it's too big, awesome problem to have. Remove those beads, put them to the side, right? And then once you have that there, go ahead and place it down. You then want to, depending on what you like to do, we have a few options. You can get the clip, or you can go ahead and tie the bands together. In this video, we'll go ahead and show you what it's like to put the clamp on there. You'll put it right through the hole, right? And then you do 3 knots. So 1, 2, let's get that 2 again, 2, and then 3. Okay, make sure it's nice and tight. Once you have that on there, go ahead and clip that end, and you're all set. Now you are fit to the T. Your waistband can now go right around, and of course you have the other end, and you put it the same exact way. You'll focus on this hole here. See that hole? You put it right through there and you are all set. In some cases, people decide not to use the clamps. That's fine. Go ahead and, again, clip each edge. Give yourself enough leverage and tie it 3 solid times. Once you do that, you'll then burn the edge. Quick lighter on the edge of each. Burn it. Burn the remainder elastic. And then you'll notice it's clamped right together and you have a solid, more permanent waistband. But for those who want the clamps, of course, it looks like this. But without, imagine you clip here. You clip here, give yourself enough leverage, tie them together 3 times or 4, and you let it rest. But make sure you measure your waist before you do so. So again, thanks so much. Enjoy your beads and tell your friends. Relentless Drip, Sugar and Spice.